The 2025 Porsche 911 continues its legacy as an icon of performance, precision, and design, further evolving the formula that has defined it for over 6 decades. For 2025, the 911 lineup sees key updates in styling, powertrain refinement, and interior technology, including the introduction of hybrid assistance in select models, a first in the 911's storied history. Porsche has managed to blend tradition with innovation, ensuring that the 202 911 remains a top contender. Among luxury sports cars, the 911 has always been known for staying true to its rear-engine roots, offering an unmatched driving experience that few cars in its segment can match. The 2025 edition doesn't deviate from this ethos but instead builds on it, refining every detail with the precision expected from Stuttgart's engineering powerhouse. Whether on track, winding mountain roads, or cruising the Autobahn, the 2025 Porsche 911 delivers a blend of agility, luxury, and power that few vehicles can match, starting with the exterior. The 2,025,911 retains the unmistakable silhouette that enthusiasts have come to admire: a low-slung body, round headlights, muscular rear haunches, and a seamlessly integrated rear light bar. While the changes are subtle, they're meaningful. Porsche has updated the front fascia slightly to improve aerodynamics and cooling. The intakes are reshaped and adaptive cooling flaps are now standard on most trims, improving airflow depending on speed and engine demands. New headlight clusters with matrix LED technology not only enhance visibility but add a more aggressive, futuristic aesthetic to the 911's classic front-end dot at the rear. The light strip now integrates new animation patterns when locking or unlocking the car, giving a more modern and tech-savvy impression. Porsche has also expanded the palette of exterior colors, with unique metallic finishes and vibrant hues that let the 911 stand out even more on the road. Wheel designs range from sleek, motorsport-inspired styles to more luxurious multi-spoke. Options and sizes vary depending on the trim, with 20-inch fronts and 21-inch rears common on higher-end models. Overall, the exterior updates to the 202 911 are evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but in the case of an icon, that's exactly what purists want. Performance, as expected, is nothing short of exhilarating. The 2025 Porsche 911 continues to offer a variety of powertrains depending on the trim level. The base Carrera is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six engine producing around 379 horsepower, offering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of roughly 4 seconds with the PDK dual-clutch transmission. The Carrera S and 4S models bump that figure closer to 443 horsepower, shaving off a few tenths of a second in acceleration. For purists, a 7-speed manual transmission is still available on some rear-wheel drive variants, keeping the driver focused. Nature of the 911 alive. The biggest mechanical news for 2025 is the introduction of a mild hybrid system in the GTS trim, which now features a performance-oriented 3.6-liter flat-six paired with a compact electric motor integrated into the transmission. This setup not only boosts performance with horsepower numbers creeping toward 530, but also improves throttle response and efficiency. Porsche's hybrid system uses a small battery pack and regenerative braking but remains light enough to preserve the 911's legendary balance and handling. Acceleration is sharper, and the added torque fills in power gaps during gear shifts, offering a seamless and ferocious power delivery. Chassis tuning across the lineup has been further refined. Rear axle steering is available on higher trims, improving both agility in tight corners and stability at high speeds. The Porsche Active Suspension Management PASM system returns, adjusting damping forces in real time based on road conditions and driving behavior. Track-focused trims like the GT3 and Turbo S remain untouched for now, but rumors suggest that even these performance beasts may see some electrification in coming years. For now, the Turbo S still offers a mind-bending 640 horsepower and sub-3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour times, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market. Inside, The 2025 Porsche 911 benefits from a significant technological update. For the first time, the 911 goes fully digital with a curved 12.6-inch instrument cluster that replaces the traditional analog tachometer. While some enthusiasts may miss the classic 5-gauge layout, the new digital display is configurable and integrates navigation, performance data, and drive modes in a clean and futuristic format. The central infotainment screen remains a 10.9-inch unit running the latest Porsche Communication Management (PCM) software. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both supported, and wireless connectivity is now standard. Voice control has improved dramatically, and over-the-air software updates ensure that the system remains current. Materials inside the cabin are impeccable, with premium leather, real aluminum, and optional carbon fiber or wood trims throughout. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, whether you choose the standard sport seats or the optional 18-way adaptive sport seats. Heated and ventilated options are available, and the rear seats, while still small, remain functional for short trips or additional cargo space. Porsche's optional Burmester surround sound system delivers rich, crisp audio, making the 911 just as enjoyable during long commutes as it is on spirited drives. For those who want more personalization, Porsche's extensive customization program allows buyers to select nearly every detail, from stitching color to seatbelt shade to bespoke trims. The cabin of the 2025 911 is not just about performance. It's about creating a luxurious, high-tech environment that feels tailor-made. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Porsche 911 lineup starts with the base Carrera at around $120,000, though that number climbs quickly with options. The Carrera S and 4S trims start in the $130,000 to $140,000 range, while the new GTS hybrid pushes closer to $160,000. The turbo models start above $190,000, and the Turbo S reaches well over $220,000 with options. While these are premium prices, the 911 delivers exceptional build quality, cutting-edge technology, and performance that rivals even more expensive supercars. Its resale value remains strong, and ownership satisfaction is among the highest in its class. Standard safety and driver assistance features have also been enhanced for 2025. While the 911 has never aimed to be a semi-autonomous vehicle, it now includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system as standard or optional equipment. These features bring added convenience without compromising the car's pure driving ethos. Overall, the 2025 Porsche 911 proves that even a legend can evolve. With its updated styling, introduction of hybrid technology, improved interior, and still unmatched performance, it remains the gold standard for sports cars. Porsche has managed to maintain everything that made the 911 great, while subtly incorporating new technologies that make it more future-ready than ever. Whether you're a longtime Porsche enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the 2025 911 offers something truly special, a thrilling, emotional, and endlessly rewarding driving experience.